Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a little bit of different video. It's not a book review or it's not a series of me, reading certain sort of books. Today I wanted to share with you one of the ways in which I control myself from buying books all the time. So if you are a book lover like me, and if you just happen to spend all your savings on buying books all the time, it can interfere with your life a little bit and also make your savings go completely zero in a matter of few days. Been there, done that, not proud. So when I started my Bookstagram about a year ago, a little bit more than a year ago, I had this problem in which I wanted to buy books all the time. I wanted to buy books on Amazon. I wanted to buy all the books that were coming in my feed. All my friends were reading and I just wanted to buy them all the time. So if you are a book lover like me, you also might have gone through the same issue in which you want to buy books all the freaking time. And let me tell you, it gets a little bit difficult when you keep on seeing all those beautiful covers and all those beautiful stories. You just want to buy those books. So a few months ago, I decided to do a little bit of experiment. I wanted to stop myself from buying books and put myself on a book buying ban. A few months ago, I bought a small earthen piggy bank. Is that what you call it? Yeah. So I got an earthen piggy bank which you cannot actually open. And if you want to take out money out of it, you'll have to break it, right? So I got that and I started putting a little bit of money in that every time I wanted to buy a book or every time I felt like I have some extra savings which I can use to buy more books. So I have had that earthen pot piggy bank sort of thing for quite a few months and I wanted to break it yesterday because I've been such a good girl and not been buying a lot of books other than my birthday. Yeah, I went crazy on my birthday and bought a lot of books, but other than that I haven't bought a lot of books, and that is why I wanted to break the earthen pot and buy a few books for me. I don't even know how much savings I had because I haven't actually put any money into it since last few months. So I thought that why not? We'll see whether I like the experiment, whether I want to continue this or not. And so yeah, so my sister also had a similar kind of earthen piggy bank pot kind of thing, but she didn't use it to do any sort of savings. She just used to put in her extra change. So I wrote her in with me and we decided we'll break the piggy bank together. So yesterday I went and bought new earthen piggy banks and then it was time for us to break our old ones. भैया गोलक है आपके पास? कहाँ पे है? कैसे भी दिखा दो। दो बिछा देनी उसके ऊपर। नहीं नहीं, इतनी जोर से थोड़ी करेंगे। फुचूक। और बड़ा। अरे वाह। बस बहुत आई थिंक। आई थिंक इसको ऐसे साइड पे फेंकना चाहिए ताकि वो टूटे। नीचे से बेस हैवी है, हाँ? नीचे ध्यान रखना। यहाँ पे, ठीक है? और नीचे भी दिखना चाहिए फ्लो। ओके। 3 2 ज्यादा हिलाना मत, एक ही फ्रेम। हाँ कभी ना। 1 2
पड़ा।
जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ये जमीन से उठा उठा के कॉइन्स ला रहे हैं सब लोग। ये देखिए,
ये मुझे नहीं पता था ये आज तक का चैनल है। हाँ ना, आधे का अच्छा अपन न्यूज़पेपर बिछा लिया, आधे का सारा बच गया। That was so satisfying.
ये आप कब से कलेक्ट कर रहे हो?
ज़्यादा देर नहीं हुई।
ये दिवाली पर लिया ना 6 months हुए।
हाँ।
6-7 months।
कितने सारे हैं?
काउंट कर।
कौन नहीं खा रहा है आके?
एक एक कटेरी लाला 2-2 दिन चला ले।
मम्मी ये काउंट करो मैं
काउंट करती हूँ।
आजा
तो आजा हम लोग
स्टॉप कर दूँ अब?
ये 2
नहीं प्ले कर। एक काम करना, वहाँ से सेट कर देगा है।
बना दी वीडियो।
बन गया। ये कैसा एंगल है?
अरे बस आ रहा है।
हेलो। सीधा एंगल रखो, मेरे को एडिटिंग में प्रॉब्लम आएगी।
ये लो, ये ठीक है? ऐसे गिर जाएगा यार। इधर से इसको सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा। लो, सही एंगल आ गया। दोनों की शक्ल आ गई, कॉइन्स भी आ रहे हैं। पता नहीं है कैसा खड़ा हुआ है, बस खड़ा हुआ है।
600 तो तेरे आ ही हो गए।
So I had about $1,000 and I knew what books I wanted to buy, and I placed the order for 2 of the books last night itself. So surprisingly, this has never happened with me, but Amazon literally delivered those books like half an hour ago and I was able to open them. Okay, wow. So don't judge this, but I just received the first delivery of my order from that book buying, well, what are we calling it? I don't know. So I just received the first batch of books and I really wanted to film myself like opening them. So don't look here, I just wanted to show you what books I've got. Oh my gosh, it's so thick. I did not know it's going to be this thick. Wow. So I decided to get these 2 books. These are the 2 authors which have been on my mind since really long. I'm particularly excited about this one and I did not realize it's going to be this thick. And I really want to open it like right now and just read it, although I know I have other books, other priorities, but guess what my reader brain is going to tell me? To pick this one up and to read it tonight. Anyway, I hope that I'll be getting some other few books. If not, then like, I don't know, I'll update you guys on Instagram story. So overall, I would say that this was a good experience and I am going to continue saving in my new piggy bank, and I feel like that this can be a very good option to save me some money and also control my impulsive buys, because let's be honest, sometimes I just want to buy the books for the sake of buying them, and you know, this will help a little bit. And also, if you want to try and save some money, try doing this because these piggy banks are very easily available like everywhere, especially now it's summer, so you can find them in some sort of roadside vendors and stuff, and you can get those piggy banks and start putting some amount of money. Like every month you can think, okay, I'm just going to put $100 every month, and by the end of 12 months you will have like 1200 rupees, which is so cool. 1200 rupees worth of books you can buy at the end of an year. So that's pretty cool. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out a lot, and apparently 95% of you people are not subscribed. So like, come on guys, help me out and like the video and leave in the comments what other kind of videos you would like me to make, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.